Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Basit and you're watching Basit Cars Unboxer. In today's video I am going to review a Sabaru WRX STI by Hotwheels Premium. This car is also used in this car is a replica of the Subaru WRX which is used in Fast and Furious series. So let's start it. This detail is so good as well. It has a rubber tire, details, side mirrors, front and back lights, tail lights, and front lights. I also have some others Hotwheels premiums as well, but this Subaru Impreza is not a Hotwheel premium. It's a normal mainline Hotwheels. So as you can see, it has a rubber tire, but Subaru Impreza does not have any rubber tires, and its weight is slightly greater than the normal Hotwheel mainline. So this is my BMW 2002 made by Hotwheels. It's also a premium model which has rubber tires, detailed tail lights, front lights, detailed paint as well. There is a comparison between mainline or premium versions. Premium lights are more visible and clear than mainline models, and of course they are little expensive than mainlines, but the detail is value for money. So this is it for today video. Hope you like it. Like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for new updates. Till then, goodbye.